Can you help me? Come back every day and collect your daily bonus. Welcome to my house. Ew! Throw it away. Don't forget the spider webs! Super! Now let's vacuum the floor! Don't forget to clean the wall! Great! Now let's paint it! The best! Welcome to my house! Ew! I need some help here! Oh no! Let's get rid of these germs! Toilet looks terrible! Brush it, please! Apply some toilet cleaner. Good job! Now scrub it. Flush it. So clean! It's spotless! You are... Ew! I need some help here. Catch them, please! Apply some cleaner. Wait for a few minutes. Awesome! Now rinse it. Bath is clean. It's time to fill it. Pour some bubble bath. It feels great. Some toys would be fun. Thank you so much. I can relax now. Ew, I need some help here. Do the laundry. Separate colored clothes from the white ones. Pink, yellow, yellow, white, green, purple, white, blue. Turn it on. Clothes are clean. Hang it, please. You are the best! Ew! I need some help here. Welcome to my house. Hi! Can you help me clean this? Let's clean the aquarium. First, take out my goldie. Spray on some cleaner. Great! wipe it. Oops, there's a leak. Great, it's fixed. Now clean off the algae. Much better. My fish would love to have a castle. Awesome! Let's color it. Goldie is very happy. Thank you for your... Hi, can you help me clean this? Ew, my room is a mess. Put the things where they belong. Get rid of these dust balls, please. Oops, confetti is all over the floor. Let's see what's under the carpet. There's so much dust. Vacuum here too. Good job! Hi, can you help me clean this? Welcome to my house. Hey, help me to clean the kitchen. Open the fridge, please. Get rid of the cockroaches. Ew, this food is spoiled. Throw it away. Put shelves back in their places. Great! Now let's clean it. Spotless. Fill the fridge with new groceries. Good job! The fridge is clean now. Hey, help me to clean the kitchen. Let's do the dishes. Wash it. Wash this plate too. Can you do more? Don't forget the spoon. Awesome! Now rinse it. Dishes are clean. Put them back in their places. You did a good job. Kitchen looks great. Hey, help me to clean the kitchen. Welcome to my house. It looks terrible. Can you wash it? Great! Now rinse it. Spotless. Fix the glass, please. Now wipe it. Awesome! Ew, disgusting! Can you clean it? Use the sponge, please. So clean! Awesome! Now change my car design. I love it! Awesome! Bling bling! Oh, wow! I love the way it looks! Welcome to my house! We have a lot of work to do! Let's renew the fence. First, polish it. Great! Now color it the way you like. You are the best! We have a lot of work to do. What is this? Unclog it, please. You did a good job. Thank you. We have a lot of work to do. Let's make this window shiny. Wipe the window using the squeegee. Spotless. The window is clean. Thank you. We have a lot of work to do. Ew, what a mess. Throw the trash away. Mop the floor, please. You did a good job. Kitchen looks great. We have a lot. Welcome.